this car right here. So first we're going to interact with this man. Now we're going to need to go where up here is. I think it's up somewhere near here, or so we're going to go somewhere near the mountains. I know it's somewhere near the mountains. Need a new truck. So we're going to go where up that mountain is. So we'll come up here. So we're going to get a helicopter right here. So we're going to fly up here. And there should be a park somewhere near here. And remember it being very close by. Yeah, so I remember now. So we're either going to get some kind of truck or something like that. So we're going to land. So we're going to go around this house and there should be a park here. So we're going to put this in the truck. And then we're going to go back to the man, so get in the truck. Right, I need to mark it. Right, here. So we're going to go up here, which I get a truck. I think, yeah, there's a black truck up here. So we're to go and get one of them delivery trucks. So. Got it. What the hell? So we're going to put it in one of these wobbly delivery trucks. Why did that go so fast? I've never seen a truck open that fast. Now we're going to put it in there. And then we're going to go where the man is again. So we have to be so we're going to go where this man is. And then we're going to put the parts near the man. Then we're going to open this truck and get this part out. We're going to give it to this man. You found the rear spoil. Good work. Now the next part is we're going to go into the city. So like I think it's somewhere near here. It's near the toxic waste area. And I don't know where the other parts are. I'm going to try and find it. So one's on a racetrack, I think. And then, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, what the hell? What the hell has happened? I don't even know if a propeller hat. Oh, hell no. Bro, my truck cursed me. Well, let's go and get another truck. Bro, my trucks are so annoying. There's a second part. Is it's gonna be near the toxic waste thing, like up here. So follow me. We're gonna go up here. And it should be here where there's a truck. So another same truck, and behind there will be some wheels. They're going to put that in the truck. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll have to do it by hand. So we're going to put that in there. Okay. Now we're going to close it. And then we're going to head back to the road taxi move. I'm going to go up here and deliver it back to the man again. So, bro, my truck's stuck. Okay, I have to do it by hand. Then we're going to come up here and go back to the man again. Here we go. Now, this should be the last part. I don't know. So we're going to get some... So it's going to be somewhere near the racetrack. So I think it's going to be over here somewhere. Brand new car. I mean this car. So we're going to go over here. And then we're going to go to this racetrack. This racetrack should be very nearly here. So we're going to nearly complete this racetrack. So how many times have I said racetrack? And that's another one too. So we're gonna go hop in this race car. I'm not gonna say track. We're gonna hop in here. Then we're going to go up here. Take this shortcut. Whoa. Wow. And the part should be somewhere near here, I think. There we go. So here is the steering wheel. I literally forgot about the steering wheel. We're going to go back to the truck. Bro, I am holding this with 2 hands now. Bro, how is it making sound when it's not even touching the floor? I suppose that touched the floor, but... Look at that, bro. It's not even touching the floor. Epic game. Why am I calling it Epic Games? Rubber band needs to sort this glitch out. Look at that. It's making a sound. And there should be one more set of wheels. I literally can't remember what. That nearly stood up, bro. I can't remember this other set of wheels. They said it's gonna go like 500 yards away. Where's my truck? Give me where's the truck. Bro, where's my truck gone? Where's my truck gone? Where's my truck? Bro. What the hell? Looks like I'm gonna have to deliver it again. Oh, finally there's a truck somewhere. I'm gonna deliver it in this one. And there should be one more set of wheels. I actually can't remember where it is. Whoa, whoa. Where am I going? Am I going the right way or not? I don't know if I'm going the right way. Bro, why is it leading me over here? So bad. Wait, I think I remember where then. It's another race. Bro! I think it's another race. I think it's another one. We're going to go up here. But where's my race part? Bro, what the hell? Where's my race part? Bro, I can't see anything. Where is my race part? Bro! Where is it? Oh my god. 2 glitches happened. So this is just like, I don't know. Bro. What? Hey, yo. Get me up. Get me up. I'm never doing that. I can. Bro, where's my race part gone? How do you just go from dark to light after 5 seconds? Oh, where's the race part? Where's the race part? Looks like I have to do it again. But that's so annoying. Wait, the race part's there. How did you get there? Bro! This guy's cheating on me. Don't fall out again. Okay, race cars can't talk. That's one new thing that I learned today. Race car parts can't talk. Right, we're gonna go slow and steady. This is not slow, this is steady. Okay, maybe not. Oh, move the car! Well, it's not even that far, so I'm just gonna go in hand. Me. I'm gonna go up here and deliver it to the man again. Where am I going? Yeah, Epic Games definitely made this wrong. So, we're going to go to another mansion because this one's unavailable. Of course it's available, but it's not where the job is. So it should be this one right here, I think. Yeah, it's this one. Take the race car. My steering wheel. Now, I think there's another race track somewhere up here. Let me try and find it. We've done that one, so we've done this one. Let's see if there's one that fell off here. Or have I already done that? Let's just see. Wow. Well, that was a nice drift. Come over here. That was nice. We're gonna come up here. Whoa. Now, where's this place? Here's this. Gonna get this car. I think we've already done this one. I think I've already recommended that we've done this one. Because I have a good feeling I've already done this one. Is there one up here? There might be one up here. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna try and think. It might be in a tunnel. Wait, it might be, I think it's in a tunnel. It's either in this tunnel or that tunnel, I think. Right, let's go over there. I don't know why I think so hard. Don't ask me. Right, first I'm going to try this one. Oh, I forgot I had no cars. I literally just started again. We're gonna go up here. So, not in this one, it's not in that. What could it be? I actually can't remember. Last time I did this, I thought it was a tunnel. Well, I'm not going to do your job. I've already done it. Well, that's going to be the end of the video. If you know where some other parts are, definitely comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! I have to turn off my live streaming so it takes a long time.